Hi everyone, this is Chef Pradeep. Welcome to our channel. We've been posting lots of recipe videos, but in this video I thought let's make one plated dessert. We've already done one strawberry millfill. You can click the link above to check that out. And in this plated dessert video, we are going to make mango entremet with mango coulis. I'm going to make this with whatever is available at home. Right now we cannot go outside to buy stuff as well. So this is the mold I have. I'm going to use this mold to create a shell and then put the filling inside and I will set it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this in the fridge for a little while till the time I melt this white chocolate. So this is white chocolate cut into small pieces. This is a compound white chocolate. We are going to melt this on double boiler. The white chocolate is melted now. First, I'm going to take a little bit of white chocolate melted in this, and I'm going to add a bit of red color. I would recommend using chocolate specific colors. I have this at home, so I'm using right now. Let's mix this. If you use liquid color into the chocolate, it seizes sometimes, so just careful when you add this. Okay, now it's mixed. Now what I'm going to do is, I have this mold here. I'm going to make only one for this video. I'm going to use my finger. I'll take a little bit and I will apply like this inside. Just make a coat and that's about it. Now after this, on top of this, I'm going to pour this melted white chocolate into this mold completely. If you work in a air conditioned room, you don't need to keep this in the fridge. Now right now this is not air conditioned room, so I'm going to keep this in the fridge for 1 minute just to make a coat on the side. Now this has been in the fridge for 1 minute. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back into the melted chocolate. We only need to create a coating on the side. So see, now the coating is happened. So I'm going to remove the excess. Now this is going back in the fridge now. Next step is I'm going to take this beautiful mango. It's nice and well ripened. I'm going to cut this and I'm going to puree it. It's puree time. Puree is done now. We are moving on to next step. I have 4 grams of gelatin already soaked in 30 ml water and I'm going to melt this on double boiler. Make sure to melt the gelatin well. Now it is done. We are moving on to next step. Now I have taken 1 egg yolk and 15 grams of sugar in this. Now I am going to beat both of this together on the double boiler till it forms a ribbon consistency. Do not do it on a high flame or a high heat. Cook it on around in this induction stove. I have kept it at 400. Also turn it off and turn it back on when it is required. Now you can see that it has formed like a thick custard. Now what I am going to do is I am going to add a few drops of vanilla essence into this. And I am going to mix this. Now after mixing this, I am going to add the melted gelatin into this. Now this has become slightly thick again. I am going to remove this from the heat. Now I am going to transfer that egg custard into this bowl. It's slightly warm right now. I am going to add 1 big spoon of mango puree and I am going to mix this. The reason I add mango puree first before whipped cream is this will take off some of the heat. Now we are going to add 60 grams of whipped cream into this. When you add whipped cream, don't add all whipped cream at once. First add a little bit. It's like tempering. Then you can add, gradually you can add little by little, so that if in case the gelatin cools very fast, it will form a string. So if you add little by little, that won't happen. This is the last addition. Now we have added 60 grams of whipped cream. The filling is ready. I'm going to put this prepared mix into this. and give out little bit of gap on the surface, because we have to cover this with white chocolate again. So this goes to the fridge till it sets now. While the anthrame is setting, we are going to make mango coulis. Now I have taken 100 grams of mango puree, and I'm going to take 1 teaspoon sugar into this. Now we are going to heat this. Now you can see I've been heating it for some time. Now the water is being reduced. Now what I'm going to do is, before I finish, I'm going to put few drops of lemon juice into this to stabilize. I'm going to mix this. Don't add lemon juice while it is still getting hot. Turn the heat off, then add the lemon juice. Now the mango coulis is ready. I'm going to allow this to cool down. Now this is taken out of the fridge. It is set. We are going to do the finishing now. Now I'm going to pour some white chocolate on this, and after pouring it, I'm going to level it with the palette knife. Now this is going back into the fridge again. Everything is ready now. We are going to do the plating. First, the base, which is mango coulis, which we prepared. I'm going to spread it like this. Now it's time to demold our anthrame. Beautiful. Now this demolded anthrame I'm going to place in the middle. I'm going to pipe one small whipped cream in the middle, and we made one small garnish that I'm going to place on this like this. Also, I have fresh cut cubes of mangoes. I'm going to drop it on the side. That's it. Now, the shell outside gives the crispiness for the dessert, and the soft interior along with the crispiness outside, it will give a nice texture. Plus it's completely just pureed mango, so along with the cream and other stuff, it gives nice taste. Now this is a simple example of how you can make with available resources at home, and even you can create in a restaurant different varieties of desserts following this technique. It's very simple and very elegant. If you try this dessert in any other variations, or if you tried the same, please do let us know how it came out for you and how did you like the recipe. Do check out other recipes in the meantime.